Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Eyescream Beauty Box. Now, if you're not familiar, this is a monthly beauty box. There's two options available. The bag is $12.50, and you get 3 to 4 items inside, including an eyeshadow palette every time. Now, this is the box. This runs for $25 a month. You get 5 to 7 items inside, and they're all full-size items, and it also includes an eyeshadow palette. So let's go ahead and see what we have for April. When you open the box, this is what it's going to look like. The card fell off. This card shows what it is, a description, and the retail price. I like that a lot. I wish everybody would do this. Now, usually it comes with packing peanuts, but yesterday I filmed everything, but it wasn't in the folder. I don't know. It magically disappeared. So I've got to film this again. So there's no packing peanuts in here, but there usually is. So that's what it looks like. I've got things flying out. Then we will start with this. This is by Chica Beauty Studio. It is a 6-color contour palette, and it is Edry's Beauty Diaries is what this one is called, and those are the colors. Let's take a peek. Ooh, I pushed that down. Okay. It does have a mirror, and here are the colors. I really like those colors. This is a palette that you can take with you somewhere. You can use these colors for contour or to do your eyeshadow. So this is perfect for that. I'm going to be definitely using that. So let's see what it says about it. This retails for $10, and it says, "We are so excited to introduce this Puerto Rican brand into our box. These palettes are perfect for travel." The writing translates to, "With much love for you, precious. Remember to have fun. Makeup is art. A glad heart makes a happy face." So that's what that says about this product. The next product is by Earth Harbor. Now, this is a really good brand. This is Glow Juice. It's a refining enzyme mask. Let's take a peek at this. Now, this retails for $40. It's like a gel. Can you see? It's just like a gel. And it smells wonderful. What is that? It kind of smells like grapefruit. So that's good. This retails for $40. What does it say about it? "With the start of the spring season, we wanted to give your skin a little boost and refresh with this refining enzyme mask. This can be used all over mask or as a spot treatment. The mask can help with dull skin, redness, acne, pores, and excess oil." All of their products have pretty colors, and they look really nice on your vanity. The next thing are these multi-chrome eyeshadows. This one is called Spectrum, and it's like green to blue. And this one is Prisma, and this is like orange to copper. Those are fun. So let's see. The Candy Chrome Loose Multi-Chrome Pigments by Shantico Beauty, retails for $12 each. We are excited to help Shantico Beauty, Shantico, launch their 5 new Candy Chrome shades by giving each of you 2 to try. These multi-chromes shift between 3 to 4 colors depending on how the light hits them. They are loose pigment cream hybrid. They act like normal loose pigments and maintain their shine and sparkle, but they glide on so buttery soft. All 5 colors will be available on shanticobeauty.com in mid-May. Let's take a peek. Let's do the one that's green to blue. Show you what that looks like. Just getting some of the powder off the top. So you can see that it's green, right? It's hard to tell shifting. It's very creamy and soft. So it is hard on camera to show how it shifts. What is that? Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's hard to tell, but you can kind of see it a little bit. The next thing, the Lovers. This looks like a tarot card. The Lovers. So let's see what this is. This is by Saucebox. So the tarot palettes are by Saucebox Cosmetics. This retails for $25. Now it looks like there's 3 different ones. There's the Magician, the Lovers, and the Moon. So this is the Lovers palette, so I'm going to read about that. It symbolizes the purest of connections, getting clear and open about your goals and intentions. Check this out. Oh, this is like, it's really soft. This part is shiny, but this part is matte. Feels really cool. And the back tells you about the colors, but doesn't show them. Oh, it has a mirror. And here are the colors. This definitely looks like a palette for the younger generation. Sometimes you can, like me, I'll slip in some of these colors of the dark in my crease, or just pat it right here on my lid for a little pop of color. But that's cute. And the last thing is our eyeshadow palette. This is by Kevin and Coco. Says there's high pigmentation and easy to blend. Mix and match 6-color eyeshadow, rich color, stimulates your creativity. Layer an extra coat using your fingers for an extreme iridescent effect. Apply the pure glitter all over your line eyes with a firm flat brush to give your look a playful hint of shine. I don't know who wrote that, but it's not done very well. So this is the palette. Isn't it beautiful? Wow. And that's what they look like. Let's take a peek. Now, I already put my finger in that one, so I'm going to put my finger in that one again. I'm just going to swipe one time. There we go. And, ooh, look at that. Wow. Now I have a super shiny nose. Holy smokes. And then you can use it here, the bridge of your nose. And some people put it here. It's supposed to make your lips look better? Okay, I like it. Of course, you know, at my age, I'm expecting magic to happen. So, for $25, an eyeshadow palette, a highlight palette, Earth Harbor Glow Juice, a contour palette, and 2 eyeshadows, multi-chrome. My box came to $116. I got it for $25. It is mostly makeup heavy. They'll sometimes throw in a skincare or a tool item, but if you want makeup, this is the way to go. It is super affordable. And that is what I have for you today. I'm so glad that you came by. I appreciate your support, and I will see you soon.